Hello, I'm gonna prove the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 1. POM is a triangle, PM perpendicular OM and POM, this is angle theta. So POM is a right angle triangle. In triangle POM, M equal 90 degree. So according to the Pythagoras, OP square equal OM square plus PM square. This is the Pythagoras formula. Now we know sin square theta or cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal sin theta equal actually perpendicular PM by hypotenuse OP. So PM by OP whole square and cos theta equal base OM by OP hypotenuse. So base OM divided by OP whole square. And we can write PM square divided by OP square, OM square divided by OP square. Now OP square LCM, so here will be PM square plus OM square. So PM square plus OM square equal OP square. So we can write OP square divided by OP square equal 1. OP square similar terms cut up 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. This is our formula and it's very simple. I'm Muzammil Haq and this is Muzammil World and I'm looking forward to seeing you to the next video. Till then, you take care.